Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so before I get started, I have quite a few things I'd like to say. If you don't want to hear it, feel free to fast forward. But first off, let me start off by saying there's about a month to go before I am in Seattle, Washington for the Fluid Art Experience. If you are interested in coming to Seattle to come and learn from me and learn from other YouTube artists as well who are going to be there, there's still time available to purchase your tickets. You can go to www.fluidartexperience.com for all the details, all the information, and to purchase your tickets. It is April 27th to the 29th in Seattle, Washington. I'm looking forward to being there and meeting all these new faces. If you haven't heard already, also, I am going to be attending another event. This one is going to be in Las Vegas. It is PourCon in Viva Las Vegas. If you haven't seen that on Facebook, I'm telling you now, I will be in Las Vegas April, the 7th, 8th and 9th, I think it is. It is PourCon and it is going to be epic. It is going to be with Shelly from Shelly Art. She's coming all the way from Australia along with some other Australian artists who are coming. There's 22 artists altogether who are attending the PourCon event in Las Vegas. There are going to be 3 major keynote speakers. I cannot wait to meet these amazing speakers. But Karen from Waterfall Acrylics, Fiona is going to be there, Erica Hughes, 22 people. I can't even name all 22 people, but if you want to know who's coming, I'll have the information in the description below with the website and all that. And it is going to be an epic event. At PourCon, I personally will be teaching how to top coat and resin finish your pieces. And the pieces you're going to be resining are going to be specific special pieces created by none other than Shelly herself. So she is making over 300 pieces for my students to resin, so I can teach you guys how to resin top coat these pieces. And you get to leave with A, knowledge of how to top coat, and B, a one-of-a-kind piece from Shelly herself. So exciting times. I've got Seattle coming up, super stoked, and then August, I'm hitting Vegas. I've never been to Vegas, so I'm super excited about that. But yeah, if you want any information, I will put the links in the description below. Okay, so you're obviously noticing what's happening back here. I haven't done a video in over a month. Life has changed for me. I'm not going to get into it because it's been a long journey and things have changed for me, and that's all I'm going to say about it for now. Maybe down the road I'll talk about it a little bit some more. But that being said, I have a bunch of pieces that are sitting around that have yet to sell. So if you remember a couple months back in December, I did a 50% off sale where I put everything up on the table and everything was 50% off. So I'm kind of going to do that again this time around. I'm going to call it New Start and New Beginnings. And this is the New Start and New Beginnings 50% off sale. So I'd like to get rid of the pieces I currently have sitting around and make room for new pieces I'm going to create. So at the end of this video, I will put up pictures of the pieces that I have available. They will be pictures before the piece has been resined because it's so much harder to photograph or video a piece that has resin on it because of the reflection and everything. So the pieces you're going to see at the end of this video are before they've been resined, but rest assured everything has a top coat of resin on it. So if you are interested in purchasing a piece at 50% off, watch the end of the video and then you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com and you can purchase your piece. I think that's it for now. But yeah, I don't know what else to say. Like, I have so many mixed emotions of, you know, what's been going on with me. And a lot of people are like, oh, how come we don't see you anymore? How come you don't do your intros anymore? I have reasons for why I do what I do and why I haven't been around. Like I said, I haven't created a video in over a month. The videos you've been seeing have been stockpiled and created months ago. And it's finally time to do a new video in real time. So it's Monday and you're watching this on Wednesday. So let's just get started to today's painting. So let me get myself situated and we'll get started. All right, everybody, let's get started. So you guys all saw I did the pink piece on the black. Here, I actually have it right here. So you guys saw the pink one, the purple one. I did the, oh, I have that right here too. This is the piece from the last video. It is dry and dried absolutely perfect. Forgot to show you guys that in the intro. But yeah, I'm super stoked with how this turned out. And again, I will tell you who it's for in an upcoming video. But that dried perfect. So I've done purples, I've done pinks, I've done the browns, I've also done the turquoise. So there's the turquoise, which I did videos ago, and this piece is still available for purchase. So turquoise I did. So now I'm thinking really dark, moody blues. Now I'm curious to see how this is going to actually look on a black base. On a white base, it looks stunning. You'll see that coming soon. But I wanted to see what it's going to look like on black. I still need to do oranges and yellows, green, and yeah, whatever. But I'm going to do these moody blues today. So the colors I'm using, my base paint is Oxide Black by Amsterdam. And then the colors I'm going to use are Pearl Space Gray by Arteza, whatever you want to call it. This one is Master's Touch Pearlized Carbon Black, I think it was. But it's got that sapphire metallic look to it. So I'm very curious to see how that is going to look on a black base. Then we're going to add some Iridescent Silver by Pebeo. Then Blue Black Indigo by Atelier. Pearl Cream by Arteza. I'm going to keep calling it Arteza because that's how I like it, even though it's Arteza. And then Indigo by Amsterdam, but it's the Expert series. So those are my colors. Going to be using the Flower hair dryer. And if you want to know how I mix my paints and my base paint, I mix them with Floetrol and water. And if you want to know the ratios of how I mix all of that, check out video number 434. I will link it up here at the top. Click on that black little link and then it'll take you to the video and show you guys the ratios for different paint brands. All right, I'm going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, guys, canvas is flooded. Bubbles have been torched. Let's get started. I'm gonna stick with the same composition. Let's see here. I'm gonna do that. And that. Yes, that's what I'm doing. All right, so, oh, that was close. All right, so this Pearlized Carbon Black definitely has a metallic, like sapphire color to it, but if you do it on a white base, it's definitely going to look more on the black side because it is carbon black. But I'm curious to see what it's going to look like on a black base. I'm wondering if I should have come down a little bit more with those colors, but we'll find out in a minute what's going to happen with that. But yeah, I'm super, super duper stoked about, oh, got a little squirt there. Clean that up. So I'm super duper excited about Seattle coming up and PourCon in Las Vegas. Super stoked. And again, all the information will be listed in the description below. And also, I'm going to be starting classes again here in my home studio in London, Ontario. So if you are interested in coming to see me in London, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com and I will put you on the mailing list. And as soon as I pick a class and dates and whatever, I will email you guys and let you know. I will mention it in videos as well, but if you want to be on the mailing list, email me. All right, so I'm going to start here and work my way. And let's see what happens with this dark moody blues on black. Ooh, now I know it looks dark, maybe in the camera, but this is actually really, really, really pretty. Wow, it's so moody. And I like the fact that I have the pearl cream in here because it kind of adds that little bit of light touch to it. Wow, I really like it. I like it a lot. So there's definitely going to be tons of shimmer in this piece because of, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of the 6 colors are a metallic or a shimmer. So there is nothing I want to touch on this piece aside from fixing up my edges. So let me fix the edges up and I'll bring you guys in for a close-up because you'll be able to see a much better view of this up close. Be right back. All right, so before I show you guys the close-up, don't forget to take your stick and you want to scrape those drips. Oops, I gotta fix that. That's no good. I gotta fix that with my finger. But yeah, scrape those drips. All right, so it is so dark and moody. I love it. Definitely loving the darkness in here. When this dries, the shimmer is going to be insane. Yeah, let's turn the lights off and get the flash on and check out the shimmer. All right, so the flash is on and the shimmer is there. Look at all the shimmer in there. Now that pearlized carbon black is this sapphire blue you are seeing all in here. So it'll be very interesting to see how this shimmers once it's fully dry. But look at that. Let's go up here. So much shimmer. I love it. So I've got the turquoise, purples, pinks, and now we've got real dark blue Look at that. I'm liking it. And there you have it, everybody. I would like to know what you guys think about this in the comments below. Let me know. Do you like the dark, moody colors? I sure do. But again, it is blue, so I really, really like it. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget, check out the information for Seattle, Washington, April 27th to the 29th. PourCon in Vegas, that is August 7th, 8th, and 9th, I'm pretty sure. Yes, 7th, 8th, and 9th. That information is also listed below. Email me if you want to come to my home studio here in London, Ontario, and you want to take classes. Yeah, just email me. This piece is available for purchase. If anyone is interested, you can email me. And if you are new watching, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every time a new video is posted. That's it. Check out all the other information in the description below. There's lots of discount codes for different products: crystal resin, lowly vefi, Arteza, you know, all that stuff in the description below. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.